Hey everyone, welcome back to T-Auto, your go-to place for everything automotive. In today's video, we're breaking down the top things that will kill your engine if you ignore them. These are mistakes too many drivers make, and they're expensive. So, let's save your engine and your wallet. First up, skipping oil changes. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your engine. It reduces friction, cools components, and keeps everything clean. Old oil turns into sludge. That sludge clogs passages, stars components, and will seize your engine. Change your oil every 5 to 7,500 miles, depending on your vehicle and oil type. Number 2, ignoring engine temperature. If your car is overheating, pull over immediately. Driving an overheating engine can cause the head gasket to blow, warp your cylinder head, or even crack the engine block. Always check coolant levels, look for leaks, and never open the radiator cap while hot. Low oil level is just as deadly as dirty oil. Even if it's clean, not enough oil means poor lubrication. That leads to metal-on-metal contact, which spells disaster, fast. Make it a habit to check your dipstick every few weeks, especially before long drives. That check engine light? It's not just a suggestion. It can mean a bad sensor, misfire, or even a failing catalytic converter. Ignoring it lets small problems become engine killers. Use an OBD2 scanner or get a quick diagnostic done. Don't guess. Putting the wrong fuel in your car can ruin your engine. High-performance engines need premium fuel to prevent knocking. Regular fuel in those engines can lead to pre-ignition, damaging pistons over time. Check your owner's manual and follow the fuel recommendations. It matters. Constantly revving high, hard launches, or lugging the engine at low RPMs. All these abuse your engine. Engines like to be driven smoothly. Beat on it too much, and you're asking for a rebuild. Save the full throttle for the track, not every stoplight. A snap timing belt or chain can destroy an engine in seconds, especially in interference engines. Valves crash into pistons. Game over. Change your timing belt at the interval recommended by the manufacturer, usually around 60 to 100,000 miles. A choked air filter suffocates your engine. It messes with air-fuel ratios, leads to poor combustion, and can foul spark plugs, reducing power and lifespan. Change your air filter every 12 to 15,000 miles, or sooner in dusty areas. Your engine is one of the most expensive parts of your car. Treat it with respect. Stick to the maintenance schedule, pay attention to warning signs, and avoid those bad habits. Got any engine horror stories? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to T-Auto, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more real-world car advice. Until next time, stay safe, drive smart, and keep your engine alive.